Okay, year sevens, we are going to move on. Obviously, yesterday we looked at ratio notation, and today we are looking at comparing those ratios to see if they mean the same thing. So remember how in the last lesson we said it's really important to have a look at the words. So this is the ratio of red to blue. The ratio of red to blue. Okay, now I can see I've got 5 here, so we said 5. And here I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10, okay? So my ratio of red to blue is 5 to 10. That's really important, so we must remember that. Now, I have 2 different students here. Now, this student here is looking at if we took 2 cubes away from both sides. So if I've taken 2 away, my ratio of red to blue would be 3 to 8, because if I take 2 away from the red, I'd be left with 3, and if I took 2 away from the blue, I'd be left with 8. Okay, so that's correct. Now, she is also saying that 3 to 8 is not the same ratio as 5 to 10. Okay, now I'm going to come back to that in a second, but I want you to have a think about that and see if you agree with her. Okay, now on this side, if we took 2 red away, we'd be left with 3. I've taken 4 blue away, and I'm left with 6. Okay, so this is red to blue is now 3 to 6. Okay, so we know that ratio is correct. Now this person is saying, well, 3 to 6 is the same ratio as 5 to 10. Do you agree with these students? So this person is saying that one is not the same, and this person is saying it is the same. Right, I'm going to show you this ratio in a slightly different way, and hopefully you'll be able to spot the pattern. So I've laid out our cubes slightly differently just so that I can demonstrate to you what this would look like. So I've got my 5 red ones there. So remember, I'm going to say we were looking at the ratio of red to blue. Okay, so I've got 5 red and my 10 blue. Now, if I lay these out slightly differently, still got the same ratio. I haven't changed anything at the moment. I'm just laying them out differently. Okay, so we've still got 5 red to 10 blue, but we start to notice a pattern. So for every 1 red one, I have 2 blue ones. So if I have 1 red, I have 2 blue. So what about if I have 2 reds? How many blue would I have? Well, we're looking at this bit here now. I would have 4. Okay, so what about if I have 3 reds? How many blues would I have? So now we're looking down to here. So yes, I would have 6. Okay, now this takes us back to the question on the previous page with what the students were saying. Now, this person said 3 to 8 is not in the same ratio. This person said 3 to 6 is. So do we agree with what the students are saying? Well, we can see here that 3 to 6 is the same.